Okay, here we go. Revolved boss. Looks like a donut. That's what you need to make. You can put sprinkles on it at the end if you want to. Alright, so we're going to go start a new 2D sketch. So we go to File, New, just like always on the Autodesk Inventor. Now I'm going to say Start 2D Sketch, click the XY plane, and according to this it says choose the line tool, start at the origin, and draw going straight up. You're going to dimension the line 1.5 inches. So let's do that here. So we're going to go line tool from the origin going straight up, say 1.5, enter. Alright, now click the home button, and here we go. Now, we dimensioned the line 1.5 inches. Let's see what else we need to do. According to the sheet, it says double click the scroll button to see the entire sketch. Sketch a circle to the left of the line. We're just going to click the home button, okay? Alright, so we're going to sketch a circle to the left of the line. Do not let it touch the line you just sketched. So we're going to draw a circle, and we're going to dimension that circle 0.75 inches. Which, by the way, we need to check to see if we have inches. So we're going to go over here to Tools and Documentation, and then Units, and there we are in inches. So we're closing that off. So I click the home button, and I'm going to draw a circle now. So I'm going to start another 2D sketch, and I'm going to draw a sketch on the XY plane. Alright, and I'm going to draw a circle. Don't let it touch this line. Okay, hold on. Here we go, and we're going to dimension this to 0.75. Hey YouTube. 0.75, enter. Now, there it is. Now it says, the next step says we've already done everything. Oh, you can guess what? I was supposed to put that on the left of the line, but I didn't. I can move it over. Hey, let's do that now. See, I'm only halfway paying attention. So I'm going to take this circle and move it. I click the circle. I start with my base point, which is the center of the circle, and I just drag it on over to the left, just like it never happened. All right, now let's go over here. Dimension the circle to the line. Now we're going to click on the bottom of the line at the origin. Click on the middle of the circle, and then dimension to 1 inch. So we're going to click on the bottom of the line at the origin, down here, way down here. And then we're going to click on the middle of the circle, which is right there. And then we're going to dimension it to 1 inch. Alright, so let's do that now. Alright, so dimension the bottom where it says the origin, click the middle of the circle, stick out there, and put a 1 in the slot and check mark. Now, next, it says click on the top of the line, click the bottom of the circle, drag to the top, and then dimension to 0.60 degrees and finish the sketch. So we're going to do the top of the line up here, and then we're going to do the bottom of the circle right there, and then we're going to say 0.60 inches, and then finish sketch. Alright, so top of the line. Alright, go back, do me a favor, click the back button. You know you had all those distances there. Click the back button until you get all those dimensions out of the way. I want it just the line in the circle just a minute. I want to talk about this. We're going to click on the dimension tool, click on the origin, click on the middle of the circle, and then I need this distance right here to be 1 inch, so that's what it needs to be, 1 inch right there. Okay, so I had that backwards. I was doing 1 inch one way, and then anyway, so I'm trying to follow the steps here. And then it says, now I'm going to click on the top of the line, just like that, where that little button is right there. And then I'm going to click on the bottom of the circle, and then I'm going to, the steps are funny. So let's click plus. So I'm just going to show you what I want. Okay, so last time, promise. Alright, so we're going to click the top of the line here. You're going to click the middle of the circle there, and that distance is 0.5. Let's make that distance 0.6. Boom. And now, we should have a 1 inch here, and you should have a 0.6 here. So 1 inch going up, 0.6 going out. From the top of the line to the middle of the circle, 0.6. That's what should happen. Okay, so click Finish Sketch. Now, next is the back of the sheet, so let's read what the back of the sheet says. And let's go choose the Revolve command on the ribbon bar. So choose the Axis button in the dialog So you're going to click on where it says Revolve, right there, that blue area. So, and then you'll click the second box here, which is Axis. You can't really read it, but we'll get to that in just a second. So we're going to click the Revolve command on the ribbon bar. All right. All right, so I'm clicking the Revolve command. I always get that drop-down menu messed up there, but it's okay. So I'm going to click on Axis. Make sure that black arrow is brought down. Click on Axis. Now we're going to click on the line and then click on the circle. So we're going to click on the line first. So that's my axis. That's why I clicked Axis first. Now it says Profile. You see how that's highlighted in blue. I'm going to click on the circle now. Okay? And then click OK. So I click the check mark and look what just happened. It's a donut. All right. So now it says to add color, and guess what? We're going to print it off. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Let's find a color that we like. I don't even care what color it is. Let's make it a diamond. Hey, how about that? That's a tasty donut. It's made out of metal. All right, File, Print, and this is what it looks like. Donut.